welcome back to part 2.
Want the fan versus Ahern part 2.
Ako si Brian.
Ako si Dwayne.
So yeah, this is part 2. If you guys didn't see part 1, we did a little bit of makeup session with the ladies.
Tama, i-link natin sa description below. That's why we look like, mga Becky.
We escaped from the circus. So today, now we're gonna do this challenge. I don't even know what you call this challenge, but it's like the pie in the face challenge. You press the button as fast as you can, and same with Dwayne.
Yes.
He'll be pressing the button as fast, and it'll go back and forth until it will pop up.
Someone loses. And you get whipped cream in your face. This is the whipped cream in the face challenge.
There we go.
Or AKA pie in the face challenge, whatever you call it.
Sure.
Is this broken already?
It's about 200 pesos on Lazada. But
Exactly.
We're almost ready to start. Let's put it up on there. And then we have one more thing.
Wait, I think I'm doing something.
You did not break it. Oh no, you just gotta press it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Whipped cream in the face.
So, there you go. Oh, it's gonna fall down.
It's gonna fall.
It's all good though.
So this game
has
a twist.
A little bit of a twist.
Okay, a little twist. So, akala nila Shanta at Jodeline na kami ang lalaban, pero sila ang lalaban! Yay! Shanta and Jodeline, it's your turn na to be embarrassed. Pinahiyan nila kami sa dati naming video. So ngayon, papahiyaan natin sila. Alright.
So press lightning?
Yes. So the rule is you have to press your button, Shanta, as fast as you can. Jodeline, your button as fast as you can until the hand will move up and splash you in the face. You've got to put your chin here and here.
We can't because I'm chubby.
You're not chubby. No, excuses. All right.
Baby!
All right. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Put your chin there.
Okay, balik me.
Sama na, oy. Daya. Refill.
Okay. You ran away. Just take these off.
Yeah, just take them off.
We don't need that.
Just put your chin on the thing, okay? Alright, you ready?
What? Switch seats.
Switch seats.
Yeah,
Maybe this side is like biased or something. Rig the machine, Shanta.
Is it Lame?
Josephine, nakatawa.
Wait lang, meron na.
Mommy put a lot on there, she knows something.
Alright, yeah, she's confident she's gonna win. Alright.
Wait lang.
Tingnan, Shanta.
Who's gonna count?
3, 2, 1, go.
Johnny, the axe.
There was no revenge. No revenge.
I was expecting her to
What happened?
win that time, but
I don't know, how do you do it?
How did you
Just
do
go
it?
press
I think
fast.
kasi, mahilig siya sa lasa ng whipped cream.
Who's counting?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, mommy, go, mommy!
Tatlong beses sablay! Patay! I will get Dwayne for you, mommy.
Okay, kamuna.
Bring it on, Ahizi. The name of this game is Karita Showdown, alright? Karita Showdown. Next up is me and Ahizi, alright? Ang dalawang mga mukhang kenkoy.
So, which of the pretty girls is gonna win here? I don't know.
3 wins.
They won the first part, right? Holy cow, that's a lot. Okay.
That's a lot, okay, so it's motivation to win. Alright, you ready? You not ready for
Put
this?
your chin, huh?
Go, easy.
I'm going to count. Wait for my goal, okay? Ready? I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
He's trying.
Man, that's hard, dude. That's so hard. I thought it was.
Next two.
Wait. We need to reload
Next.
this thing.
Okay.
This is crazy.
It's falling off.
Man, I just don't have enough muscle in my wrist. Dang
Okay,
it.
go. Ready?
Alright, let's go. Ken Koi versus Ken Koi.
King Clay.
Drag queen versus drag queen.
Okay, let's do this.
2,
Historia Becky, go.
1, go.
Ano ba naman yan?
Change, honey, change.
Ah, yeah,
Change sides?
Change sides.
Okay, yeah, just like you guys did. Sure, no problem.
Actually, it tastes pretty good, you know.
Oh,
Wait for my go, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
You used 2 hands. You took on a drummer, man. I'm a drummer, dude.
dang it. Oh, good game. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Once again, this is part 2. Yeah, it was actually a workout. It was really fun. So thanks for having me over here, guys. Shanta, Dwayne.
You guys welcome anytime.
Hey, salamat kayo.
Tribe is welcome.
And look forward to the future of possibly a collab in the
Ano
Visayas.
possibly? Sigurado na yan.
Ay, it's
we are going
final.
to have a collaboration in Bohol this coming November.
Whoa! Yay! Tuwanta fam and Easy Tribe. Akong anak, kumusta ka?
I-subscribe nyo sa channel ng anak ni Ahizi na si Erica Ahern.
Erica
Okay? Erica Ahern. I-link natin sa description below. At saka ang channel ng asawa ko ni
Shanta. Don't forget to subscribe to Shanta, guys.
Lolo Salinas and Erica Ahern.
And thank you.
Salamat sa panonood.
Don't forget the like button today, and as always, makita-kita tayo sa sunod na video. Appreciate you guys having us over for the night.
We like never get visitors, di ba Shanta? It was good to have the Ahizi tribe in the Duanta fam condo.
Hey, salamat kayo. Oh no, salamat agaw. The Ahern Family vlog, but you know, it's
Ahizi tribe, everyone knows,
It's Ahizi
man.
tribe.
Ahizi is
Everybody knows, no?
You guys can stay in our place, but I warn you guys, have
Pero-
kids.
We sleep on the floor.
Extra bed there, we can put it on that.
Oh wow, social.
Yeah.
Parang hotel.
We're such better hosts.
Alright, Ahizi man. Good seeing you, brother.
It was great seeing you, Dwayne. Awesome seeing Dwayne and Shanta. Thanks so much.
Abangan nyo ang collab namin sa November. We're gonna travel the Philippines. Me and Shanta, we're gonna stop by Bohol for about a week.
Oh.
Hang out with the Ahizi tribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sige pa. Nice seeing you.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
It's Duanta Fam shoutout time! Una sa lahat po, i-shoutout po natin si Jerson Gonzaga. Jerson Gonzaga na laging nanonood ng Duanta Fam. Mastig, maraming salamat. Next up, we have... May tae. Okay, Louise Isabel Tan. Yun pala ang pangalan mo. Louise Isabel Tan, maraming salamat po. Annalyn Vickery and Robert Vickery from Cagayan de Oro. Chata kaayo. Ipapashoutout po din namin si Rhea, aka Lucy Mapayo. At saka, nakakonsensya ako kung hindi ko isa-shoutout tong taong ito kasi nag-comment siya ng 3 beses si Gwyneth Portugaliza. Gwyneth Portugaliza from Iligan City in Mindanao. Nindot kaayo eh. I-shoutout po din namin si Alwin Mike Pascual. Maraming salamat po. Magaling ka daw kumanta na bata. And last but not least, i-shoutout po namin si Jasmine Padillo. Maraming salamat po. Abangan nyo ang sunod na video namin. Kita-kits. Bye-bye!
Yeah, just like the moon in the night sky. Your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly. Through eternity, go wherever, wherever.